Good morning, YouTube. We're back at the shop, and oh man, a bunch of stuff just happened.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this is our shop for our dealership, NG Supercars. And as you know, we are doing a bunch of work to the building, and they just got done removing all the janky old insulation. So there was a bunch of radiant barrier up there. It was drooping, sagging, falling apart, and dropping these little white particles all over the place. In fact, there's still white particles all over the place. You can see all of that like shedding, these white flakes that are everywhere. They're just all over everything. Yeah, they had to cut all that out, and they took away tons and tons of trash. So all of that's gone, but we're making more progress. So I'm working on the electrical and the water. I just got the RO system in yesterday, but check this out. Over 100,000 BTUs of air conditioning just arrived. Sweet mother of God, yes. We're gonna kick Texas ass. We're fighting Texas right there. Yeah, so we've got 4 units for the main building, 24,000 BTUs each, and then a 9,000 BTU unit for the office. And they're heat pumps, so we can actually heat the building too. And then, other exciting news, check this out. Walls are going up. Holy crap. It totally changes the vibe of this, having that even right there just makes it feel like, holy crap, we're actually getting somewhere. This is amazing. I haven't been this excited in, I don't know, since I bought the building. This is great. We're getting stuff done, people. So let me see. Oh yes, I got a huge water filtration system. I'm gonna have to plumb this in. Oh, we have a refrigerator and it works. Oh my God, look. Refrigerator and RO unit. And yes, fresh water. You can actually drink water. How is it in here? Is it cold? Oh, it's getting cool. Yes. Yes, finally. How is it down here? Oh yeah, nice and cold. Yes. All right, well, I have to wire a new plug for this very soon, but for now it's good enough. Chipping away at stuff. Oh, I got in yesterday, did a new sub panel, because the panel that I had there was this tiny little thing. It only had room for like 2 or 3 more breakers, and we're gonna have all of the ACs running off that thing, so I needed a bunch more space for that. So yes, progress. All right, well, let's chip away at some more stuff before it gets too hot today. We're still in that brutal Texas heat, so yeah. All right, YouTube, it's hot as hell, and I got some of the wire laid out for the plugs, so I stubbed it out. I haven't actually connected the plugs yet. I'm gonna run them basically on each main joist or post or whatever it's called. I'm gonna put a plug, or at least a couple plugs, but I think I'm gonna call it the day because I'm exhausted. I've been working super hard in the heat every day since we got this damn thing. I'm taking a day off. I'm gonna go sit in the air conditioning. It's gonna be glorious. So yeah, we'll see you in the next day.
The next day.
All right, YouTube, we're back and we're pumping water. So we gotta drain out these 2 cubes. So these are part of the water system. So basically the well pumps the water to these, fills up the cubes, about 500 gallons, and then that pumps into the building. Well, we want these out of this area, so we're gonna build like a little shed or something right there. So I gotta get these drained so we can actually move them, because yeah, 500 gallons of water is pretty heavy. So those 2 pipes are the pipes that actually go into the one. This one comes from the well, that one goes into the building, so we'll move those around. But check this out, rear wall is up, and this changes everything. He starts skinning the right side of the building, so our contractor James JME Contracting is doing a great job. Check this out. Oh crap. Completely changes the feel of the building. So we're gonna have to get the ACs running soon, because now that those are going up, there's so much less air movement. But look at this. So obviously they're gonna have to cut the panels out where the door goes, but that's fine. We'll just take care of that in a little bit. But anyway, this is good. Stuff is happening. Heck yeah. All right, YouTube, check it out. We're framed out on that side and got the stubbed out with the skin. That will be cut out and become a door. So that's good. This whole side he's gonna do tomorrow. And then this side, again, skin, that's gonna be cut out and become a door. This will actually be this door right here. We're just gonna reuse it over there. And then, check this out. Got the water tanks disconnected and moved, and we were originally just gonna like put them right there. And then I was sitting here and I was like, wait a minute, we're dumbasses. The water well is right there. So why don't we just put them right next to the water well? Duh. So we're gonna buy, we already ordered it, like 10 by 12 shed. They'll just kind of go right here, and that way we can like heat that shed and make sure the water doesn't freeze in the winter. And all of the plumbing and stuff can just run right through the building right there. Super easy and convenient. So all that stuff's coming on Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so we'll get that done this week. Because right now we don't have water because, well, everything's disconnected. Also, the water coming out of that tank was disgusting. I am glad we did that anyway, just to get rid of that water. And then what I'm gonna do is plumb in line this massive filtration system I have. So this is like a big 3 filter system. It's got like sediment and carbon and stuff. So this should actually make the water coming into the building really good. And then once it comes in, it should be much better, which will allow the RO unit to produce more water for a longer period of time and have it actually be tasty. So yes, things are good and we're making progress. So that's all we're gonna do today because it's Sunday and I'm gonna go enjoy some time with my wife. But we'll keep trucking on this stuff, so we got lots more to do, so stay tuned.